She's lost on land again. They lost my friend. Lost on land again.
So hey friends, I finally got my van back today. I just picked it up there from Reynolds Glass, and well, I mean, I guess they did the best they could. They told me that they were gonna have to use plexiglass to fix it, so that's what they did. Let me show you. So yeah, they screwed it in. Definitely does not look stock anymore, that's for sure. He said this is tougher than glass though, so we'll see. So I was pretty disappointed when I picked up poor Paul Vanley. He is just covered in this sap stuff. And I mean, it is sticky and nasty. Took me forever to get it enough off my windshield to even be able to see through it. So that's fun. And then they replaced this piece of glass too, which it's stock, so it looks pretty good. But he said, don't open it. And I said, well, why not? Like ever? He said, no, not ever. Because they had to glue this back on. He said that they don't make them anymore with the latch. So he's afraid that if I ever open it, it might not close again. So don't open it. Okay. Good times. But they were kind enough to clean up the glass for me. So, hey, it's the little things, right? Yep, that's what we've got. We've got plexiglass. So another rather disturbing thing is they messed up my door lock. I don't know why, but so on this side, the passenger side, you can see the door lock's right there. Well, let me show you on the driver's side what they've done. So they shoved the door lock back in there. I have no idea why. Hopefully it still works. Normally I use my little keypad to unlock it and lock the door, so I guess they didn't know I had a keypad. And I don't know what they did. I don't know. I wish I was a little happier with this job, but I'm not. I also paid an extra $80, yes, $80, $40 per, to fix 2 chips in my windshield. Oh, the chips are still there. And so I called the lady and said, hey, I think they forgot to do the chips. Oh, they probably did them. They just kept them from spreading, but they don't actually repair them. Okay, well, that was $80 thrown away. I wanted them repaired. So I don't know if you can see that little chip there. But yeah, that doesn't look repaired to me. They said it's been repaired, so okie dokie. Yeah, look at this windshield. Isn't that something? What a mess. So yes, I did stop at a cemetery to do this little video because I needed some shade. It's still hot. Yeah, I know, it's October. It's still hot. But anyway, yeah. Wish I was a little happier with the job, but hey, at least I got my van back. At least I'm back on the road. So I'll take the little things. Anyway, thanks for watching, guys. I really do appreciate it, and hopefully I will see you on down the road. Y'all stay lost, my friends.